Diane the Minimal here. Rah, rah, rah. It is a new year and I'm here to help you have a fresh start. All this month we are going to be working together on a clutter-free January. Now we're going to be starting here in the kitchen, the heart of the home, and we're not just getting rid of the clutter. I am a hygge expert. I'm here in Copenhagen, Denmark, the home of hygge. I'm going to be showing you ways to make your home cozy. We're going to be moving out the clutter so we can bring in some more hygge and some more fun for you. So anyway, let's get started and let's get those sleeves rolled up, and I hope you are ready to go. Okay, you're not going to need any special equipment, but grab yourself 3 bags or 3 boxes. One box will be for any obvious recycling, rubbish, trash. That's the first thing. Take another bag or box for any items that you find that you can pass on to somebody else. This will be your giveaway box. And the last one will be for items that you find in this area that don't belong in this area, that they just need picked up and put away somewhere else. So you've got your 3 bags of boxes. And also I suggest setting a timer for 10 minutes. I like to use an old-fashioned timer like this. Of course, you can use the one on the stove, you can use the one on your phone. I do all my filming with my phone. The only problem with using the timer on your phone is that notifications are coming in, you get distracted, so a timer is a really good idea, but I will be your timer today, so don't worry about that. So first up, you're just going to scan the room. Have a look around the room, go clockwise. See if there's anything that immediately jumps out at you. We're just looking for the immediate clutter. I'll go through some of the things that I've found. The last couple of days we have been decluttering the last of the Christmas sweets and goodies. Maybe you need to do the same. I've just finished eating the Amarena cherries. Quite often if I find boxes, like this, I hang on to these because they make really good drawer dividers. Now, you know me at the Canny Scott, I don't believe in having to go out and buy stuff as storage. Use what you've got, shop your house. You may find some boxes that you can use for drawer storage. You'll see how I set mine up in a wee minute. Do you have any knickknacks around the sink? Anything that you're kind of tired of now? And I've started putting away some of the Christmas decorations. You saw me doing a video on that last week. A lot of our Christmas decorations here in Scandinavia, they are white or they're natural, so we actually keep them up well into the winter. And I'll just show you behind me. An obvious, I've got my little ZZ Top gnomes and a white candle holder. Those will stay out a bit longer, but the ones that scream Christmas of the red, those I'm going to pack away now. And what about any of those food things that you've kind of been avoiding? We got some medjool dates this year. They weren't actually very good, they were quite dry. But I can actually repurpose them, and what I'm going to do with those later today is I'm going to make those into raw balls, a kind of healthy snack. Recipe for that in my recipes and crafts playlist. So just think, what can we use up here in the kitchen, or what is obvious trash or recycling, and then we can dive into the cupboards and the drawers. Now I have a whole video where you can see how I store things in my kitchen. I'll put a link above to that. But just to give you an idea, first of all, keep like with like. This is very obviously my herb and spice drawer. At the back I've got refills for that. And then down below we've got things like rice and pasta. And what I use to separate them is, as I said before, any old kind of boxes that I find. It really helps to keep everything together. At the back here we've got stock cubes, another one for cans, and that way we're really maximising the space. Oh, something that you probably don't have in your pantry, haggis, or maybe you do, and something you probably do have in your pantry, chopped tomatoes. Everybody's got tons of those. And I do actually have some other food storage space. I'll just show you that on the other side. Underneath our kitchen bench, that's actually 2 sets of drawers there, so I've got more space there. But as I said before, you can see that in my other video. But just set your timer and take 10 minutes, you know, to check through one section. Maybe you've got some expired food, maybe some things that you can use up now, and add that to your menu plan for the week. Now, you may feel a wee bit anxious in the beginning with the decluttering process, but you can make it really easy for yourself, as I said, just by keeping like with like, keeping things together, putting all your glasses together, all your mugs, all your serving dishes, keep them all together, because if we just do that in the beginning, it makes it really easy to see how much we have and how many things that we're not actually using. For example, you know, we've all got these things for cooking at the stove. I keep them here, and it's very obvious to me when I start, you know, having too many things in here, or I can see a wooden spoon that is a wee bit nasty now and can be decluttered. So just keep like with like in the beginning, and once you start off on that, it makes the whole process much easier. And if you're finding things today you're not quite sure, you don't have to get rid of them right here, right now. It's okay. You can either wait until next month when we're back in the zone, if you're doing things the Fly Lady way as I do, or you can just put them, you know, put them in your box for giveaway, and then put a note in your diary to say, you know, check that box next month. And what are you going to do when the timer goes off, or when you've finished watching this video? I want you to deal with those bags and boxes right away. So you've got your recycling, your trash, get that out. Any giveaway items, take the box, put it in the car if you're handing it in to a friend. We're on lockdown right now, so our stores are closed, but I'm keeping mine. I've got a small area in the basement where I've got things together, and when they open again, I will be ready to hand them on. And your put away items, just get them to the rooms that they belong in. Don't worry too much about decluttering or organising in there just yet. Just put them into the place where they belong. And you know, once you've got an area cleared off, maybe you want to put something nice and hoogly there instead. If you follow me on Instagram, you know, I post a picture of my shiny sink at the end of the day. You can also see my outfit for the day. I also post little reminders and daily motivation. So, you know, maybe you want to put something nice at your sink to encourage you to keep going with this decluttering process. Also, I hope you will, you know, make the process nice for yourself. When I'm working in the kitchen or doing my routines, I'm usually listening to my favourite music, or a podcast, or an audiobook on my headphones. I've usually got a candle going. We are in Denmark, and I got this for my Christmas, which is a little portable oil diffuser. So I've been using that recently when I'm working here in the kitchen. So remember, make it hygge and cozy for yourselves. And I'm going to put the link up here. All this month I'm working along with Dawn from the Minimal Mom, who has started this Clutter Free January project. As I said, link is up there. Go and check it out. Lots of YouTubers are joining in. We're all giving you our best tips and tricks of how to achieve that clutter-free January. Hopefully I've inspired you to bring in a wee bit of hygge. If you're not already subscribed here, you may want to do it this week, because this week I'm doing my giveaway, so stay tuned for that. And otherwise, I'm going to get on with my bags and my boxes, get them moved out of there, and have a wee cup of tea. So all I've got left to say to you is live long and prosper. May the Danish hygge be with you, and I'll see you very soon with that rah rah rah. Okay, bye for now.